Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. Welcome to my Shorts AI review. Now, in a nutshell, guys, this is an AI powered teleprompter app or teleprompter software. Now, if you're like most people, or just like me, I'm not really good at speaking, I need to memorize things out, then this can really help you guys out, produce videos, produce content, especially short and vertical videos, right? Now, as you can see, I'm inside of the dashboard of this app right here. And before I'm going to walk you through and show you guys the demo of this, let me show you first my bonuses. If you guys decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, right? All of my bonuses, guys, are custom crafted. You're going to find these bonuses elsewhere, right? My bonus number one, I'm going to give you access, guys, to 900,000 plus done for you video maker templates, right? My bonus number two, I'm gonna give you guys access to 1 million background music tracks. My bonus number three, I'm gonna let you guys access to 4 million downloadable 4K stack videos, images, JApps, animation, memes, and so much more. My bonus number four, I'm gonna let you guys access to 400 plus promo video templates for your social media places or for your social media accounts, right? And then next bonus for you guys is 1,600 plus promo banner templates. Next one is done for you monetization automated system. My next bonus for you guys is free Instagram traffic. Next bonus for you guys is TikTok traffic marketing checklist. Next one, guys, is short free traffic domination. And then the last one, guys, is how to become a successful social media influencer, right? So those are all of my bonuses if you guys decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. So when you click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you to the sales page that looks something like this. The headline says smart app helps you create perfect short YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok videos in just one take. Create perfect videos without any rambling, bloopers, cue cards, or memorizing any scripts. Right now, let me walk you through inside of this app right here. So once you log in into your account, you can see these campaigns right here. And you have this, you can click on this download app and it will let you download this. It's from Google Play Store and App Store, right? Now, to create a campaign, all you have to do is to click on create campaign right here and name your campaigns. Let's say make money online and then click on continue. Now you can paste or write your script or content right here. So I'm just gonna copy this as my script right here. And you have three options or four options for here. You can generate an AI script, or you can spin this script, or you can continue with this script without the need of spinning or recreating the script, or you can launch an AI right here. So I'm just gonna click on generate script. Let's try this generate AI script right here. So as you can see, guys, our script has been successfully generated. What we can do now is we can edit this one, or we can click on save the changes. All right, and now we have this teleprompter software right here. Guys, now make sure that your headphone and your PC camera is connected. Now, unfortunately, guys, I'm not able to show you the video or the camera right now because I'm not using a PC camera. I'm actually using my phone's camera right now, but you can see your video right here. And that's pretty much it. This is where you read the script. So you just basically face in front of the camera and just read this script right here. All right. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you the camera right now because I don't have access to my camera, but make sure that your camera is connected. That way you can see your face in front of this video right here. And just click on start recording and it will let you start recording your video. All right, this is really powerful and useful, guys, especially if you're not a native English speaker just like me. I'm not really good at speaking. I need to memorize things out. You can also click on edit script right here, guys, to edit the script. So let's say I'm just gonna remove this line right here because it's so long. You can just click on save the changes. Right, so as you can see guys, my script is now shorter, right? We can, adjust the text. You can make it medium size, large, and then huge script right here. Right now, start recording, and you'll be able to produce your video without the need to record or without the need to memorize your script. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. All right, and then connections right here. You can actually integrate this, guys, with different kind of social media places like YouTube, BitCloud, Facebook, TikTok, and they're updating Facebook and other social media places right now. But you can automatically upload your content or your video inside of YouTube right here. Just connect your YouTube account right here, or BitCloud account right here, or Facebook account right here, right? And then training right here. So this is where you access the training and how you can use the software. So yeah, those are all of the things that you can expect inside of Shorts AI. And by the way, guys, there are some absels. You can actually learn those absels in my bonus page right here. All right, so these are the absels. Absel number 1 is the unlimited version of this. Absel number 2 is the faceless video creator. Absel number 3 is the agency business kit. Absel number 4 is the shorts edition. Absel number 5 is BidCloud Pro. And guys, let me share with you a little secret. If you purchase the bundle, you can actually save hundreds of dollars because the bundle is only going to cost you $247, and you'll be getting all of the absels, including the OTO number 1, OTO number 2, OTO number 3, OTO number 4, OTO number 5. All right, because if you summarize all of the prices right here, like the OTO number 1, which is going to cost you $297, and then OTO number 2, which is going to cost you $67, OTO number 3 is going to cost you $47, OTO number 4, 47, and then OTO number 5 is 67. You can save hundreds of dollars because the bundle is only going to cost you $247, and you'll be getting all of the upsells. And aside from that, you're also going to get access to these fast action bonuses right here. All right, so these are the things that you'll be getting in the bundle: the front end, the unlimited version, the faceless video creator, the upgrade number 2, which is the agency business kit, the upgrade number 4, which is Power Suite, and then the upsell number 5, which is the BidCloud Pro. All right, so you'll be getting all of the upsells for only $247, right? Which can save you huge amount of money. All right, so those are all of the upsells, and of course, guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your JBZoo account after your purchase of Shorts AI. So yeah, that's pretty much, guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. Try my best to answer all your questions, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Love you.